Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make minestrone soup with pasta easy method. Start by chopping onion, carrot, celery, and garlic and sautéing them in olive oil until translucent. Add diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, drained beans, and Italian herbs, then simmer gently. Stir in small pasta, taste and adjust salt and pepper, and finish with a splash of lemon and chopped parsley for brightness. Gather ingredients: 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 2 cloves garlic, 1 can diced tomatoes, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1 can beans, 1 cup small pasta, olive oil, and herbs. Measure and prepare items before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Using shelf-stable beans and canned tomatoes keeps this recipe quick without sacrificing flavor, and simple herbs like basil and oregano bring classic minestrone notes to life. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: I love the Kindle Paperwhite as a handy kitchen companion for saving recipes and reading while you cook. It's compact and bright. Check the video description for the Kindle link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil, then sauté onion, carrot, celery, and garlic until soft and fragrant. Pour in the diced tomatoes and vegetable broth, add basil, oregano, salt, and pepper, then simmer gently to meld flavors. When the broth is simmering, add the small pasta and cook until al dente, stirring occasionally. Finish by stirring in drained beans and a squeeze of lemon, then serve warm with crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.